Stop what you're doing because what I'm about to show you is not just another AI update. This is the moment the AI industry shifted. And if you're not paying attention right now, you're going to get left behind. A Chinese AI lab just dropped the model with 1 million token context, open source, free to use, and is already beating some of the most expensive models in the world. Let's break down exactly what happened and why it matters for you. Before we get into the model, you need to understand who DeepSeek actually is because this isn't some random startup. Back in January 2025, DeepSeek released a reasoning model called R1 and it literally shocked global market. Why? Because they built a model that competed with OpenAI at a fraction of the cost. The entire industry panicked. Investor panicked, Silicon Valley panicked, and the DeepSeek went from an unknown Chinese lab team to the most talked about AI company on the planet almost overnight. Then they went quiet for months. Everyone was waiting, watching, wondering what they were building next. And now we know. DeepSeek V4 is their biggest release since R1 and it comes in two versions. V4, the flagship 1.6 trillion total parameter with 49 billion active at any time. This thing is an absolute powerhouse. On benchmarks, it rivals ChatGPT 5.2 and Gemini 3.2 Pro, two of the most powerful closed model in the world right now. V4 Flash, the lightweight version, 284 billion parameter with 13 billion active, is smaller, faster, cheaper, but is still insanely capable. It actually matches V4 Pro on simple tasks. Both versions are open weight. That means developers can download them, modify them, and build product on top of them for free. No API fees, no monthly subscription, no permission needed. That one decision changes everything about who gets to build with Frontier AI. Okay. Now let's talk about the number that broke the internet. Millions tokens. If you are new to AI, here's what that means. A token is basically a chunk of text. Every word, every sentence, every document you feed into an AI, that's all token. The more tokens a model can handle at once, the more it can remember and work with in a single conversation. Most AI tools you use today, 32K to 128K token. DeepSeek V3. Their previous model had 128,000 tokens. DeepSeek V4 just jumped to 1 million tokens. That's not an upgrade. That's a completely different category. To put it in a real terms, 1 million tokens is enough to fit all three Lord of the Rings books and The Hobbit inside a single prompt. Think about what that means in practice. You could feed an entire company code base to V4 and say, find every bugs, every security risks, every inefficiency all at once. You could upload a 500-page legal contract and get a full breakdown in seconds. You could run a multi-step business workflow, research, analysis, writing, planning, all in one thread without the AI losing context halfway through. This is what people mean when they talk about AI agent that actually work. Now here's where it gets technically impressive because having a million token context window is useless if it destroy your hardware. Most models at that scale are slow, expensive, and memory hungry. DeepSeek solved this with something called compressed sparse attention. Here's the simple version. Instead of treating every single word in a million token prompt as equally important, V4 creates a smart compressed index of what actually matters more, like a highlight reel of the most relevant information. The result, V4 Pro at 1 million token uses only 27% of the computing power of its predecessors and only 10% of the memory. V4 Flash is even more extreme, 10% of the compute and just 7% of the memory. That's not incremental improvement. That's a fundamental rethink of how long context AI work. And it's built on mixture of experts architecture, meaning the model only activates the part of its brain it actually needs for each task. More power, less waste. Now let's zoom out because this story is bigger than just a model release. DeepSeek is a Chinese company and V4 wasn't just built to improve developers. It was built to prove something. Huawei confirmed their Ascend chip are fully compatible with DeepSeek V4. That's huge. It means China is actively building a parallel AI infrastructure that doesn't depend on Nvidia, American cloud services, or US technology at all. While the US has been restricting chip export to China, China has been quietly building around those restrictions. MIT Technology Review called V4 DeepSeek's most significant release since R1, and both the US and the Chinese governments are watching closely because this isn't just about who has the best chatbot. It's about who controls the foundation that the next decades of technology is built on. Whoever wins the open AI infrastructure race wins the future. Is it perfect? Let's be real for a second. No, it's not perfect. DeepSeek's own benchmarks show V4 still trails slightly behind ChatGPT 5.4 and Gemini 3.1 Pro on some tasks. And independent evaluation haven't fully verified all of their performance claims yet. This space moves fast. What feels groundbreaking today can feel normal in 6 months. But here's the thing that matters. It's free. It's open. It's already in developers' hands right now. That combination has historically been impossible to stop. Look at Linux. Look at Android. Always open always finds a way to win at scale. If you're a developer, the weight I live on Hugging Face right now. Go download V4 Flash, run it locally and start building. The era of needing a corporate API budget to work with frontier AI is ending. And if you're a business owner, start thinking seriously about what an AI that never forget context can do for your workflows. Customer support, document analysis, automation. The cost barrier just dropped dramatically. If you are a creator, tools built on V4 are going to start appearing everywhere in the next few months. The app you use are about to get significantly smarter. And if you're just someone curious about where this is all going, pay attention to DeepSeek because they have now done this twice. They shocked the world with R1 and they just did it again with V4. 6 months ago, 128K tokens felt like the future. Today, 1 million is the default. The labs that are winning this race aren't just making AI more powerful. They are making it cheaper, faster, and more accessible to everyone. And when those three things combine, power doesn't stay locked behind a paywall. It spreads. The most dangerous AI isn't the most powerful one. It's the one anyone can use. What are your thoughts on DeepSeek V4? Do you think open source AI can actually beat the closed model long term? Tell me in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.